been a while. I got this little light thing. I don't know. I have the lights off, as you can see. I don't know what's gonna work. Maybe this. This is alright lighting right here. Maybe this is what I'm gonna do. But yeah. I took a long break. It's been like since October, December. December is when I last uploaded, I think. I really don't know. It's been way too long. I haven't shown this. I was meaning to show this, but yeah, look at this beauty right here. I got it during November, I think. But yeah, I think it's an 8. On Twitter, it said it was a 7.75, and it just doesn't. It's just not. It's not a 7.75. That's the thing. I could be wrong. I actually measured it and everything, but I don't know. I measured it with the what's called the Measure app on iPhone because I didn't have my I didn't have my measuring tape at the time, but now I do. Right now it's January 28th. January 28th. Shout out to J. Cole. January 28th. It's about 30 degrees outside. It's not that bad. I'm good with a hoodie, some sweatpants, maybe a hat. I don't know, maybe. And yeah, just keep myself warm. I just don't like the cold. I hate the cold. Been out here for a while, right? Practicing my front side 180. Jeez, I'm so tired right now. Oh no, no. Y'all have no idea how tired I am, but alright, so boom. I was at the club, right? Boom. So, it's been a while since I've recorded anything, right? Just give me a second, please. Okay, so I'm out here, right? Yeah, it's been a while since I actually made a video. It's just I've been caught up with a lot of things, you know. Winter break, really. That's it. Just winter break. That's all I've been busy with. I've started school again. I'm taking music theory, taking English, communications, and sociology. I'm just trying to change my lifestyle up a bit. Back then, I wasn't really, like in high school years, I wasn't really the, scholar type. Now I'm, in college, everything's paid for, but thankfully FAFSA got me, like everything's covered. everything's covered, so I'm thankful for that. But still, I would actually like to, try, because it's money. It's just money. Everything's just about money. I don't know. During winter break, I don't know. I just got sad. I don't know if it's because I haven't seen my friends in a while. I haven't ever since high school. Everything's just been different. I guess everyone's going through the same thing, or probably not. Everyone's just doing fine, but that's just how things work, really. Okay, sorry about that, but yeah. High school. Where was I? I think I was at high school. Something about high school. I don't know. Life, everything just sucks. Well, not really. You gotta have a positive outview. Listen, I just have to have a positive outview. Every morning I wake up having a goal in my mind, just trying to get things done. Like, I would leave everything last minute, and that's just why? Why would I do that? I'd rather just, get shit done. Main purpose of this video, there's no main purpose. There's never a main purpose of the videos. I just like talking, I like skating, I like playing guitar. Which reminds me, I need to buy a new guitar string. The one I have right now, it just broke. Hold up, I'm a little bit cold. It's a little chilly outside. You'll see later on, like, everywhere is just wet, except for this like one area right here. But yeah, everything else behind me is just all wet. This weather is just whack. 3 days ago, it was just full of snow, and now it's like 50 degrees outside. 50 is not that bad, but like, I wasn't ready for it. This whole week's just 60 degrees though, so I'm thankful for that. But yeah, back to what I was saying about, I know that I'm very lazy, I procrastinate a lot, and I'm just changing that up. 2019, we out here. Today's February 2nd, I believe. It's been a whole month. That whole month of January, I've just been preparing myself. I've been going back to the gym. I've been doing homework, actually. Well, not homework, because school just started like a week ago, but you get me. I've just been prepared for everything. So yeah, that's how things are going right now. Everything's all right. Like, I'm still here. Can't really complain. So yeah. But there are some things I'm trying to change. There's no doubt about that. But I think 2019 will be the year. I've been talking too long, so I guess it's time to skate now. I've been practicing right here for a bit, and yeah, I made a bit of progress. I've gotten better with the front side 180s. I tried to jump from the front side 180 to the kickflip, but I'm gonna stick. I'm gonna work my way up there. I'm not there yet. Hopefully I'll get there one day, but yeah. So yeah. One thing I do want to say is I'm gonna ask one question. Like, oh crap, I'm a beginner and all. Crap, this thing won't save. Hold up. Alright, so yeah, I'm a beginner and all, but like, make the YouTube videos and everything about this. So is it like, if you watch people like me, is it really more of the content or like the skills and how they progress? Or, cause like you could watch any other skateboarder out there, but like, I don't know what I'm trying to say, but like I feel doing those little vlogs and stuff, you could get to know me a little bit better. And I don't know, if you comment down below, I'll get to know you better. But yeah, is it really like my progression and like skills that I have, or is it just like the person itself, like me personally? I don't know. It's just a question I had in mind. Just had to say it.
So this is what I'm doing, right? Whew. I need to breathe. So this is what I feel I'm doing. I don't even know if you could even see me. It's probably pointed at my chest. I feel like with each stride, I'm getting closer and closer, like. All right, we got it. You got a nice car. And we're getting closer and closer to landing and rolling, but I just get too frustrated that I don't actually practice the movement. I just go straight for it, and I just need to take it slow, to be honest.